Hey, how's it going? Back with another unboxing. This is the Ulanzi Ironman smartphone tripod mount. Just got it off of Amazon with my own money. They're not paying me to talk about it, but I needed a more secure way to mount my cell phone to a ring light. I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It also fits on my wife's Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So, well, aluminum construction. It's got a 1/4 inch screw hole on the bottom to mount to a GoPro adapter. Pretty robust. I like the construction of it. It fit just fine. You just unscrew, loosen and tighten the screw at the top. The thumb screw is knurled for easier grip. And you can really get a tight grip on this thing. It's not going anywhere. That's a S21 Ultra Samsung Galaxy. Now you can see it's great aluminum. That can tighten up pretty close once you screw that on. So pretty happy with it. I'll let you know how it goes in the future. So thanks for watching.